Hey there, bird lovers! Welcome back to another episode of Feed the Birds. Today we're getting creative and making a bird feeder that's as fun to make as it is for our feathered friends to enjoy. All you need are some ice cream cones, peanut butter, and birdseed. Ready? Let's get started. And there you have it, our delightful ice cream cone bird feeder, ready to bring joy to our feathered friends. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Renew Crafts and Creations for more fun and crafty ideas. See you next time.